I'm going to show you how to log into Discord on your computer using a QR code. This is actually one of the fastest ways to sign in because you don't need to type your email or password manually. So let's get started. First, open Discord on your desktop computer or go to the Discord login page in your browser. On the right side of the login screen, you'll see a QR code with the option that says Scan to log in. Now grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're already logged into your Discord account on your mobile device. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open user settings. Scroll a little until you find the option called Scan QR Code, then tap on it. Your phone camera will open automatically. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen and hold it steady for a second. Discord will instantly recognize the code. After that, a confirmation message will appear on your phone asking if you want to log in. Simply tap yes, log me in. That's it. You'll immediately be signed into Discord on your desktop without typing your password. This method is quick, secure, and really useful if you don't remember your login details or just want a faster way to access your account. Hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tips and tutorials.